Hey creator, you have a question. How to earn online money at home? So don't worry, it's too easy. In this video, you watching a all easy way to earn online money. First way, create a YouTube channel and earn money. YouTube gives you more option to earn money. Second, people per hour. This website gives you more option to earn money as a freelancer at home. This website providing you more option to earn money. Third way, you also play online game and earn money. This game link in the description, check out now and play and earn money. Next one, you also start trending on Upstock and earn money. On Upstock you also invest money in a share market. Next, search on browser how to earn online money. Google gives you more options. They have more options. You have more creative videos, so subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more updates. Like a video, share with friends. Any doubts so comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.